If you're someone who's currently trading with Topstep and love Topstep trading program, but you don't really like trading on Topstep X, then this video is for you because I'm going to show you how you can still trade with Tradovate even after Topstep banned them earlier this summer. So let's get to it. First of all, obviously you will need a Topstep account, and here I have my Topstep X 50K trading combine. So we're going to go through this video with the assumption that you already have a Topstep account in place active. The second thing that you need to do is get another account with another prop firm that has Tradovate or Tradovate prop. In my case, I'm going with Top One Futures, so let's just go with the instant funded accounts. These are the cheapest funded accounts in the space right now. So Ignite accounts, 50K, and make sure you choose the Tradovate platform here at checkout, okay? Whatever platform you're trading with, make sure you choose Tradovate on the second account that you will be buying, okay? There we go. Order has been received. We have now a TopstepX account and a Tradovate account as well. Now, the last thing that we're going to need is going to be this software called Trade Syncer. Okay, this will allow us to create the connection between our Tradovate account and our TopstepX account. I have a full video on how to do the connections because actually, if you go to your TopstepX account and you go to settings, there's an API here on the right corner. You have to also get the API for Topstep. It's about $15 a month or something like that. Again, I have a full video on how to set up Trade Syncer, but here's how the connection works. We're going to go here to Trade Syncer, add the connection. We're going to choose my Topstep account here. We're going to choose Project X. And then on the broker, choose Topstep. Okay. So the API key is going to be taken from this specific page on the settings at API, as long as you have purchased the API for TopstepX. And then your username is just the username that you use to log in on your TopstepX account. You click connect. Okay, so we have one account connected. Now let's connect the Top One Futures Tradovate as well. We select Tradovate as the broker, and then you click continue. This will redirect you to the Tradovate page. So make sure you put your username and password that Top One Futures or your prop firm has given you for Tradovate. Click login. Okay, now we have one account at Topstep, one account at Tradovate. The last thing that we want to do is go to the cockpit here on the Trade Syncer on the left side. And now we want to make sure that we set a leader account. Our leader account is going to be our Top One Futures Tradovate, right? And the reason for that is just because we want to take our trades in Tradovate, but they can also be copy traded on our Topstep X. So that's our leader account. And then we select the follow here turned on as well. So now we have Tradovate at Top One Futures as the leader and Topstep X as the follower. All we got to do now is trade. So let's actually do that in real time. So if I go here to Tradovate, let's log in. Simulation. Okay, so we have our Tradovate account at Top One Futures. And then here we also have our Topstep X. Okay, the account that we linked. Now let's see if this actually works. So let's say we buy one market here.
Order filled.
We are in this contract. Now let's go to Topstep X. As you can see, that same contract is open right here as well. Okay, so let's say now we put a stop loss right here for this position. Sell one stop. As you can see, that same stop loss has gone here to Topstep X as well. And even if we drag this lower like so, it should be automatically updated here as well. Okay, very seamless process. This is if you really like Topstep's trading program, but you just want to trade on Tradovate because that's where you're most comfortable with. Now let's actually exit this position right here and show you that you can actually do the same thing on TradingView as well. So if I go to my TradingView account, okay, so right here we are on my TradingView account for that same account at Top One Futures. As you can see, that same account that I just opened at Tradovate, you can actually see that same order that we took previously as well. Now let's test. Does it work? If I take a trade right here on TradingView, will it be replicated on my Topstep X? Let's try it. Buying one account, buying one contract right there. If I go to Topstep X, there we are in that same position. And the same thing works here as well. If I place a limit order right here as a stop loss, okay, sell one stop. That same order should be here on Topstep X as well. And again, if I drag and drop this, it should automatically be updated on my Topstep X as well. Again, if this is something that you want to do, definitely check out my full Trade Syncer video so you can see how the API is bought, how to create all of the other connections and use all of the other functions that Trade Syncer has. But again, if you really want to trade with Tradovate on Topstep, it is still possible even in 2025 and even in 2026, okay? Even though it's not a platform offered at Topstep. Lastly, if you did enjoy this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. It does help the channel quite a lot.